this fake ass commercial, 60, 70, 80 games, Nintendo, all these fake ass emails I've been getting, and look at this shit. Just Dance 2017. What the fuck? Look at this.
Those are the repercussions, you can see the nail there, from trying to pull it off. This is probably going to happen to a lot of people. I don't know why Nintendo designed this in such a way, especially because kids are going to be doing this.
I don't think my Nintendo Switch is supposed to be doing this. That is fucking loud. And highly annoying. What is that?
This is utter demonic. What is that over there? What is that? I don't feel well. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, let's play with the buttons. Let's play with the thingies. Oops, I went into the things.
Whoa, did you go like way over?
Is this the wrong side?
Is this?
Do we have the wrong sides?
Oh, we do have the wrong. Okay, so it's very evident.
Oh, mine's stuck now.
Oh, mine's stuck too.
Oh, this is like cemented on now. What the fuck? Uh-oh.
Are you fucking kidding?
You can see that I can control Link, he's moving around, all is well in the world. Happy days. But if I move back, what are we now, about a metre away? I've got the sync issue. So if you can just come over here so you can see the screen. So left controller is running without me. You see that?
Unlocked position. That is key. So you want to take a tool of some sorts and gently push up on these two black prongs, and it should easily just slide right off after.
I accidentally strapped the strip upside down. Is there any way to get it out?
You absolutely 100% need a screen protector on your Switch. I have already scratched my screen, and it is scratched by the dock, because literally the screen has not touched any other surface.
That light is supposed to stay on the whole time. I don't know what to say, Internet. I mean, this really feels like the system broke.
All my Zelda saves.
No way to transfer them out. There we go. Yeah, that's all that happens to it.
It's orange.
It's been happening since I bought it, and it's really fucking annoying. And it's pretty much bullshit, because, I mean, you know, new console and you're trying to play, and you get this shit. It's been, like, flickering since I bought it.
Well, where's my game? Why doesn't it work?
My Nintendo Switch experience today. Just trying to turn this off now. Can't even turn it off.
Oh, thank God. Okay, yeah, it just happened. Like, it's all negative. And even if I go to the menu, it's still the same.
Six foot away.
没有反应的，但是呢，我这里是有反应的，我类比摇杆是完全没有反应的。
Peraí, pá, tenho a certeza que ganhei. Tenho a certeza que ganhei.
Será?
aconteceu? Espera. Ganhaste, desculpa.
Inside. No game. I returned this game twice. Same problem. Alright, let's try 1-2 switch. 1-2 switch works.
Shit! Damn it!
Quite literally just turned it on. And, yeah. Let's try turning it off. And immediately. Wow, that sucks.
Ms. Jenkins, can I get some help with mine? So, there it goes,
There
right?
you go.
But
Yeah, did you match up the pluses? So you'll have the
Did I?
pluses
Wait.
matched on the front, so here's
No,
match
look.
the minuses, and you screwed it all up.
I did.
How did you manage to do that?
I don't know. I
It's a
tried hard.
Nintendo. It's a Nintendo product. I don't know how you could do that.
Here, I got it.
Do you got it?
It went too far this way. Uh-oh. This thing is actually stuck on here. It went on super easy, honestly.
Zelda is selected. I'm gonna see if I can just press it. Insert the game card. Why do I need to insert the game card when, guess what? Hold on. I'm trying to do this all for the camera. Guess what? The game card is in my Nintendo Switch. Press again. What's gonna happen? The software was closed because an error occurred. That's Zelda for you.
Put the USB charging cable on the bottom of the unit.
So unfortunately, when you're charging the console, you can't use tabletop mode, so obviously the stand will not work. You can't put it up anywhere. It just, yeah, it will fall over.